Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rafael Putra with University Study Number 111240060. Today, I will answer the question after watching a movie, short drama, Hear Me. For the first question is, how does Kennedy childhood trauma affect her behavior and communication style throughout the film? Kennedy childhood trauma shapes her behavior by making her withdrawn and fearful of expressing herself. This affects her communication style, leading to resistance and self-doubt, which are evident in interactions. The second question is, analyze the symbolism of the closet in Kennedy's childhood. How does this affect his communication skills today? The closet represents a place of fear and confinement in Kennedy's childhood. These expressions of hiding impact her current communication skills by instilling a sense of shame and insecurity that she struggled to overcome. For the third question, we like to discuss the impact of bullying on Kennedy's psychological development. How does the movie portray the long-term effects of bullying at school? The film portrays bullying as a significant factor in Kennedy's psychological development. It shows how the long-term effects manifest as anxiety and low self-esteem, ultimately influencing her relationships and self-worth. For the next question is, how does the film explore the theme of silence as both a defense mechanism and obstacle? Silence serves as both a protection for Kennedy and a barrier to her growth. While a shield from future pain, it also prevents her from connecting with others and expressing her true self. Question number 5. Analyze how Kennedy character developed from the start to the end of the film. What key events contribute to her growth? Kennedy evolved from a timid individual to someone more confident and assertive. Key events such as supportive interaction in the communication class and facing her fears significantly contribute to her growth. Question number 6. We like to talk about how the communication class affect Kennedy's journey. How does the class help people make change in their life? The communication class empower Kennedy by providing tools to express herself and confront her fears. It fosters personal change and growth through supportive feedback and practical exercise. Question number 7. Compare and contrast Kennedy behavior in various environments: home, school, communication class. What do these differences reveal about her character? At home, Kennedy is often quiet and reserved, while at school, she feels isolated. In the communication class, she gradually opens up, revealing her potential and resilience. This difference highlights her struggle and growth. Question number 8. How does the movie illustrate the relationship between trauma and communication? Give specific example from Kennedy experience. The film illustrates this trauma can hinder effective communication. Kennedy experience show how her past led to a struggle to articulate her feelings, impacting her interaction and relationship. For the next question, analyze the role of trainer in communication class. How did his approach affect Kennedy progress? The trainer is the communication class play a crucial role in Kennedy progress. This sportive yet challenging approach helped her face her fears and build confidence in her abilities. For the next question, discuss the theme of strong will in the movie. How does Kennedy's determination to win the scholarship show this quality? Kennedy's determination to win the scholarship reflects her strong will. Despite her challenges, she persists and shows resilience, embodying the spirit of overcoming obstacles. For the next question, how does the movie balance the portrayal of Kennedy's vulnerability with her strength? Give example of both. This film balances Kennedy's vulnerability with her strength by showing her struggles with fear alongside moments of courage and determination. For example, her willingness to participate in the class showcased her growth. For the next question, analyze the turning point in the movie where Kennedy begins to overcome his fears. What triggered this change? A pivotal moment occurs when Kennedy receives encouragement from her peers, triggering her to confront her fears and take risks in communication, marking the start of her transformation. For the next question, discuss the depiction of the education system in the movie. How does the movie address the challenge fans by students with trauma or communication issues? The film critiques the education system by highlighting the necklace of students dealing with trauma. It showcases the need for understanding and support for those with communication issues. For the next question, how does the movie explore the concept of finding one's voice, both literally and figuratively? The movie explored this concept through Kennedy's journey of learning to express herself openly. This is both a literal and figurative process, as she gains confidence in speaking and asserting her identity. For the next question, take a look at how the movie ends. How does Kennedy's journey reflects the bigger themes of overcoming adversity and self-discovery? Kennedy's journey ends with a sense of informment and self-discovery, as consulting the themes of overcoming adversity and personal growth. The next question. Have you seen any other movie that the wilderness of childhood trauma? How do the portrayals in this movie compare to Hear Me? Other films that deal with childhood trauma, like A Silent Voice, show similar themes of struggle and healing, but Hear Me focus more on the active process of communication as a tool for recovery. For the next question, how does Kennedy character compare to other protagonists in movie that also face communication barriers? What are the similarities and differences between the two? Kennedy shares similarities with protagonists like those in The King's Speech, facing communication barriers, but differs in her youthful perspective and the specific challenge related to bullying. And next question. Compare the way Hear Me depicts the trauma healing process to other movies with similar themes. What makes this movie approach unique? Hear Me uniquely emphasizes communication as a means of healing, while other films may focus on broader themes of recovery and resilience without that specific lens. Next question. In other movies that deal with the theme of education, how is the role of the teacher or coach portrayed compared to communication coach in Hear Me? In Hear Me, the communication coach acts as a mentor, providing personalized support, contrasting with more traditional portrayals of teachers that may focus on academic achievement. Question number 20. What motivational words did the coach say to Kennedy during the training sessions? The coach emphasizes the importance of believing in oneself, encourages Kennedy to embrace her unique voice. And the last question, what was the last message and advice that the communication coach gave Kennedy? The communication coach advised Kennedy to always remember that her voice matters and that vulnerability can be a source of strength. I think this is from me. Thank you very much.